guys, today we will show you how you can change the OEM packs for our packs. It's pretty simple.
Akce.
Tak. The first step, probably the most difficult one, is to get out the old split pins. Now you have to get out the stand, or how is it called. On the other side you have to first remove the brake pedal. Yeah, here it's easier. You just take it out, and the pack is out. Now you take some tools, screwdriver, something like this, to align the holes. Yeah, then you take the pack and you get it inside. The last step, you secure the packs with a split pin you get from us. Guys, the installation is finished. It was really short, about 10 minutes. And now you can start enjoying more comfort when sitting on a bike, and more grip and more control of the bike when riding in stand.